Are you wondering if you can collect reviews from Housecall Pro on your website? Well, you're in the right place, because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to leverage Housecall Pro for gathering reviews and what it can do for your business. Housecall Pro is a powerful tool that streamlines many aspects of managing a service-based business, from booking appointments to invoicing. One of its key features is the ability to collect reviews from your customers. And yes, you can showcase these reviews on your website. But here's the thing, you don't just get a basic review system. You get a system designed to help grow your business by showcasing social proof, which is a big deal in digital marketing. With Housecall Pro, you can send review requests directly to your customers after a service is completed. These requests can be customized, and the system automates the follow-up process to make sure you're getting the most reviews possible without any extra effort on your part. But that's not all. You can integrate these reviews directly into your website. This way, you're not just collecting reviews in a silo, but sharing them with your potential customers to build trust and credibility. If you're looking to take things to the next level, Housecall Pro even allows you to embed these reviews on your website automatically. This means you can show fresh, authentic feedback in real time, which can significantly increase your chances of turning visitors into leads or customers. Plus, the more reviews you have, the more likely you are to rank higher on search engines since Google values positive user feedback. You might be wondering, how do I get started with collecting reviews from Housecall Pro on my website? It's actually pretty straightforward. First, you'll want to make sure that your Housecall Pro account is set up to send review requests to your clients after each job. Once you've collected those reviews, you can use Housecall Pro's built-in tools to display them directly on your site, or use third-party widgets or plugins that integrate seamlessly with the platform. This process is easy and designed to require minimal effort so you can focus on running your business. If you're new to Housecall Pro, it might feel like there's a bit of a learning curve, but don't worry, it's user-friendly and they offer tons of support to help you along the way. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur or managing a larger team, Housecall Pro is a solution that grows with you. Before we wrap up, let me remind you that you can try Housecall Pro completely free by clicking the first link below. Plus, with our exclusive bonus, you'll get an extended free trial to really dive into all the features the platform has to offer, including review collection and website integration. So, to summarize, yes, you can collect reviews from Housecall Pro and display them on your website to build trust, improve your search rankings, and convert more customers. The process is simple, automated, and a great way to leverage customer feedback to grow your business. Don't forget to check the link below for your exclusive free trial.